So this next example will show how to get Python working. So the first thing we'll do is just run Python. So if you just type Python and hit enter, then you'll enter the Python command prompt. And from here we can basically do anything that you can in Python. So in this first example, we check that Python can do basic maths. To exit this, we just type exit, open and close brackets, and hit enter. If we go back, we'll look at the Python help system. So first we need to import a module. So this is basically importing some new functionality to Python. So in this case, we're going to import the image calc module of rsjslib. Then we just type help rsjslib.imagecalc, hit enter, and you'll be in the help system, and you can then scroll through that help system. To exit this, we need to press the Q button for quit on your keyboard. We can also ask for help just on a specific function if you know the function name, so in this case bandmaths, and it just takes us straight there rather than having to scroll through the whole help for the module. So we can import other modules, so in this case we're looking at GDAL, so we can look at the help for the GDAL module. Again, we can look at a particular class or function. In this case, it's a class dataset. And finally, we exit to leave.